Hello guys, so in today's video we'll be discussing about EORI number, that what is EORI number and how to apply for it. So who needs EORI number? Basically it's abbreviation of Economic Operators Registration and Identification Number, and for where you used if you move goods between Great Britain, England, Scotland and Wales, and you can read out all of this. It's basically needed as you are an Amazon seller, so you will need it to move goods inside the UK. While you move or import the goods inside the UK, so you need EORI number to clear your customs, right? You can read all of this article here on this URL gov.uk//EORI number. So it was just a short description of EORI number, that you need it when you move your goods inside the UK. As you are an Amazon seller, so I will be describing according to that. Now let's see that how to apply for EORI number. So here you will be watching an option of apply for an EORI number. Let's click here. Okay, so here the company's house has written instruction for us that if we want to apply EORI number that starts with GB, okay, there are two EORI number. One is for Ireland, and that we need for UK is starting with GB, okay, and that which is for Ireland, so it starts with XI. So you can read out this article as well, but for now we'll be discussing about the EORI number that we need for UK, United Kingdom, Great Britain, right? So to apply, you need unique taxpayer reference UTR number. If you don't know it, so find your UTR number as a hyperlink. You can check your UTR number, and once you create your company, so you get your UTR number as well in 15 days, or if it get late, so you can apply for UTR number as well. Business start date and standard industrial classification SIC code, right? You always select an SIC code that describes the nature of your business. So you will need that SIC code and government gateway ID, user ID and password. And same if you are VAT registered, so you will need VAT number and the effective date of VAT registration. If you are not VAT registered, so no need. And national insurance number if you are an individual or a sole trader, right? But if you are a company, so you don't need this NIN number, right? So if your business is not UK based in the UK, business is not based in the UK, you do not need a unique taxpayer reference or SIC code, right? So let's apply for GB EORI number, right? Okay, so here they are asking, are your organization based in this location? So no, it's not based here. Okay, now is your organization part of VAT group in the UK? No, we are not VAT registered. But if you are VAT registered, you can select VAT as well. Okay, now sign in using government gateway ID. Okay, I will put my government gateway ID. Alright guys, so I have entered my government gateway ID, and all of this information, government gateway ID and password. While creating your company, you will get all of this information, gateway ID and password and SIC code. These are all related to when you register for your company, right? So you will get all of this information there. And one thing I want to mention, that it's not compulsory that you should be VAT registered to apply for EORI number. So you should keep that in mind. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, so they are asking me, they have already my number, but if there is no any number already entered, so I will put one of my UK mobile number, and I will get an access code, and then I will put it here. So let me check. I will have that access code now. Alright guys, so I have got my access code or my mobile phone number. So I will just continue. Okay, so they are asking me that where is your organization established? It's in UK. Okay, what do you want to apply as? I want to apply as a company, right? Alright, so now they are asking me that what are your company details. So I have already these details and I will put these details now. Alright guys, so I have filled up my company details. Here they were asking about my company name. So I have entered my company name and corporation tax unique, that UTR number. So I was having that already. So I have entered that as well. Now continue. Okay, so now they are just confirming that these are the details we have about your organization. Yeah. Now they are asking, are these the organization details you want to use to get an EORI number? Yeah. I will say yes, these are the details I want to use. Now continue. When was the organization established? So it is basically the establishment date or incorporation date of the company. So I will put it here. Alright guys, so this is my establishment date of my company. So I entered that. Now continue. Okay, who can we contact? So I will just put my name here, my full name here, and telephone number, my UK telephone number. I have entered that, and they are asking for fax number, but it's optional, so I do not need to enter that as well. So now let's continue. Is this the contact you want to use? Yes, this is the contact address I want to use. Now continue. Okay, does your organization use a shortened name? No, it's not using. My organization is not using any shortened name, so it will be no in our case. Okay, what is the SIC code? Okay, SIC code is basically the nature of your business, so you can check it on your on the company's house website of your company. So my SIC code is 47990, which is other retail sale, not in stores, stalls or market. So let's enter our SIC code. Now continue. Okay, is your organization VAT registered in the UK? No, it's not registered. But if you are registered, you can select yes. And now they are asking, is your organization VAT registered in the other Europe EU members country? No, our company is not registered there as well. Okay, do you want to show your organization name and address on the check and EORI number service? Yes, we want that, and it's really needed, compulsory, that we should select yes. Okay, now check your answers. They are just making us confirm that all our information is right. So everything is done now. You can see all of our information, it's correct. I will just double check it and then send. By sending this application, you confirm that the information you are providing is correct and complete. So this was all about EORI number. Okay, so I have got my EORI number here. I can just download a PDF file of my EORI number and download an accessible text file of your EORI number. So your EORI number will be ready to use within 48 hours. It will appear on the check and EORI service within 48 hours. So it has no expiry date. You should only share it with trusted business partners or approved custom representatives. For example, you should give it to your courier or freight forwarder. They will use it to make customs declaration on your behalf. So that was all about EORI number. It's done. It's so easy, so painless task.